The latest set of earnings out of Britain's banking industry are proving stronger than analysts estimated. But small businesses may not be breaking out the champagne to celebrate. In fact, their funding troubles are growing so severe that UK Prime Minister David Cameron meets today with the Governor of the Bank of England to help them find a way through. Bloomberg's Elliot Gotkine reports.
Feeding time at the salad factory. Customers want lunch. Chairman Karim Lalani wants credit.
I'm going to have my lunch with you today.
Thus far, he's had to finance the chain's operations out of his own pocket, and he's not happy.
At the moment, we have 6 stores. And for us, we want to be double this size by the end of next year. But at this stage, it's practically impossible to borrow from high street banks on terms that are affordable and, in fact, that we can meet the criteria that we're being offered. We feel terribly let down.
For the government, Salad Factory is just another innocent victim of banks' drive to rebuild their balance sheets to meet new regulations. Net credit for small businesses in the form of loans or overdrafts has been steadily declining, partly because they've been paying back debts and running their operations out of cash flow. But the government won't back down, and to show it means business, Prime Minister David Cameron will meet with the Bank of England governor later today to discuss what measures they might take.
We'd like to proceed on a voluntary basis. There are various forms of support the government can give through lending guarantees of different kinds, and that's a desirable approach. But what we're spelling out is if all else fails, the government does have some sanctions to bring to bear.
One such stick would be to force lenders to divert excessive bonus or dividend payments into bank reserves. But that might be unjustified.
No one, not even the banks, can deny that credit for small businesses has been declining. For some, it's the bank's fault for imposing punitive interest rates and conditions. For others, it's simply because there's a lack of demand. A London Chamber of Commerce survey found that less than a quarter of businesses were actively seeking credit and that less than a fifth of them had trouble getting it.
Thank you very much.
But that's scant consolation for Salad Factory and other credit-starved companies. And after all the taxpayer billions and guarantees the banks have swallowed and the profits they're now making, some say it's time Britain's lenders paid something back. Elliot Gotkine, Bloomberg.